Hello everybody. We put this outdoor shower on the side of my friend's house and we had a lot of problems with it. So the first one we got, everything screwed together fine. This piece attached fine, this piece attached fine here, and this attached fine there. But we could not get this piece right here to attach to this piece. There's the joint. So we ordered another one on Amazon, and sure enough, the second one didn't work either. And we're looking at it, and the manufacturer asked us to send them a video of what we were trying to do, so we sent them a video, and after 5 or 6 people tried to thread this piece into this piece, the person holding it for the video decided to screw it in the other direction, and it went in. So this is a reverse thread. All of the other threads and fittings were right-hand threads, righty-tighty, loosey-lefty, but this one was righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. So if you're having trouble getting plumbing fittings, pipes that you bought on Amazon, which came from China, if you're having difficulty getting them together and there's nothing in the instruction booklet that tells you to thread it the opposite direction, think about threading it in the opposite direction. Left-hand threads here, only on this joint. All the other joints in the shower were conventional right-hand threads. Hope this video helps you. If you found it informative or entertaining, please give us a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.